In the world where ordinary is simply not enough, one chocolate dares to raise above, handcrafted, trending faster than the light. Taste this sparkle of Dubai chocolate. In Dubai, I was served only at the finest Michelin-starred French restaurant. I was hand-delivered on a golden tray by a butler wearing gloves. Can you imagine that? He was actually wearing gloves. I've only been on a tuna can once. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, you know. Everyone wants a piece of me. I'm catching on everywhere. Social media just can't get enough of me. I'm practically a worldwide phenomenon, top notch for 2020.
Why are you staring at me like that?
I'm concentrating? You told me to concentrate. Tell her a joke on Wednesday and she'll laugh on Sunday.
Yeah. Next thing you know, she'll think I'm sparkling just because I'm impressed with her.
No photos, no. Okay, maybe just a few, but make sure you'll get my good side. Calm down, the superstar. It's just the fridge light. Even the fridge wants to see me shine. Oh my. You must have had such an exclusive place in Dubai too, right? What part of Dubai were you served in?
Yeah, the very, very exclusive part near the greenery.
Oh yeah, I've heard Dubai's exotic greenery is quite deluxe.
Yeah, sure. So exotic.
Sausage was probably the only one in Dubai who got the VIP treatment. Green all over. And the beat turned red looking at me. It's because I saw salad dressing.